Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Live Tools. Okay. Now, before we get started, just want to point out I actually had new sister of Maximus, which we're going to review it tomorrow or maybe on Thursday. Okay. So if you by the way, just want to admire that I'm actually not going to upload videos. So if you have to regret this, then you be pleasant. Okay, now let's see what we're going to do today. Okay, so last time off camera I actually wanted top beat the 100, so let's play the live tools even more so, and hopefully I'll probably gonna reach top number 4. Okay, so if you all definitely love this live tools video, definitely smash the like button and hit subscribe to never miss out on my channel, and also comment below which monsters are we going to review it, either new sister or new mythics. Okay, and apparently guys, not much today, so we're just gonna wait for the opponent. Okay, come on, be patient. Now about the Maximus, you're probably gonna get him to rank 5 even, because even though Diabolus Hellbringer is never be used, it's never going to be used at blood, try to focus on Maximus. Okay, we're going to face off against Master. Okay, oh, not you again, and wow. See, that's what I'm telling you guys. Annual, it's not even good battle, but we'll see how the matchmaking is. Okay, unless it's Wi-Fi, I don't know. Okay. Let's see here. I can do that one because of the no talent. Where you give him single 2 lines. Okay. So let's do that one. And let's do stun. I mean, how like this. Okay, so let's see how the battle will go. Okay, that's not even that bad. Let's see here. I can do ton. I can actually go into self damage, which is going to be next turn. And let's see. And I can do stun of them. Okay, switch on. Okay, there we go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. That's really the first opponent to win the champion of live tools. Okay. Now let's continue. Of course, Maximus, Moina. This is like a fish, electric fishes, and last but not least, need support. Now once again, happy the 4th day of Ramadan Kareem. Hope you guys celebrate without eating and drinking until when you hit around at 6 p.m. then yes, so you can eat and drinking. Okay. By the way, guys, do you guys want to see monster review of Maximus on Maximus? Okay, I haven't even showcased it. Last time I showcased how Cliffbaker is super overpowered, but we haven't showcased this monster yet. Okay. Whoa, no. Let's see here. How do I start to feel it? Let's do insane light damage. Why not? I'm sure it's going to be a lot easier than before. Okay. And I know we'll see because of this denial though. Okay. Oops. Oh wait. Heal to this Yeah, I'm sleeping because I need to go to bed and make it time pasted. Okay. Now, unfortunately, guys, like I said before, I'm not a really big fan of PvP. Okay. Sometimes the opponents are basically the same, but it's actually very different. Okay. Like some of the PvP are not one of my favorite, but Live Tools is truly iconic. Okay, you can choose the masters, you can select some skills, swap the wounds, you can see what opponents are going to face off. Okay, that is my favorite. But the PvP, it's about defenses. Like I'm not going to use the Laza because of the anticipation nowadays. Okay. Oh boy, I need to go to bed now, but I don't want to sleep because of the life tools, okay? Yeah, it's game over. I mean, I think this match is actually very unique, so to the age. Oh. By the way guys, if you want to see to explain how the episode works, please comment below, okay? I will give you guys a brief of how am I supposed to be waiting, okay? And also, if my voice is very deep, then please, I need to check these settings, okay, on YouTube, alright? Yes. It's going to be another winning streak. Winner chicken dinner. Even though I'm not even better than Armor Gaming, but it's better than Master Gaming, okay? Valkyrie, on the other hand, seems to be very sustainable selfish, okay? Rule number one, she's not voice actor, she's not voicing anymore in her video. In her video on her channel. And rule number two, I actually unsubscribed Monster Gaming, so I don't even bother to watch it. And rule number three, there's something I really want to tell you guys, okay? About the historic and about the new era, there's going to be every new buff stats, okay? It's going to be crazy, alright? So sometimes when you get the thing, you see are going to be released a brand new monsters, okay? Sometimes it's going to be either good or bad, okay? Ooh, UFO. Okay, it shouldn't be that bad, so... Oh, missed it. Great. Wait, free swing. Eesh. He's just gonna make this boom. Okay, at least I can total blind them. Or why not? Okay. Oh boy. Yikes. Is this the... Oh, I thought you have a total life. Okay. That's really strange art, but I'll go with it. Yeah, because normally Masters has Anwar. You have to start to keep in mind that the Anwar is actually a little bit tricky, okay? So, I don't know, I'm just gonna do recharge. And, oh my god, that is so annoying. Let's do double damage twice in case I'm not gonna miss the doubt, okay? I think this is actually worth it. In case you see this monster, just to do that, okay? Yeah, pretty sick. Pretty sick. So it's gonna do don't hide, then gonna do this, and wow, missed. Wow. I'm sure it's going to be fine, I hope. Oh, my beautiful master. How dare you? Okay. Seriously, I keep missing because of the bulwark. 50% of not landing. The gift, no problem. Just gonna do the collector. Boom. Okay. Who's just gonna do recharge? Why not? Okay. You lose. Yes, I think this is actually really funny. Okay, on to the next round we go. Okay, we're going to make something very different now. So I'm going to choose Steam Bandit. Okay, or Bandit. Let's try with this monster, and the Saber-Tooth would be fun though, but maybe, yeah, I need total damage. Okay, so right now, as you can tell, I'm progressing this monster, and I have something really cool here is upcoming. Okay, I unlock 2 islands, which is helpful, and if I have enough gold, I'll probably gonna buy the next island. Okay, which is really helpful. And of course, as you can see, I now have 200 scores, which means that 25 gems plus 10 equals 35. Okay, yes, it's super useful for now. Okay, and about the team modes, let me go to show you guys. Okay, so you're going to face off against El Igbo Red thinking actually. Okay, so right now I'm going to use JJ, Greg Breaker, and I'm working on Avarice. Okay, he is efficiently at rank 115, so probably gonna take some more time to invest the cells. Okay, but do not worry about it. As recorded, I'm sure they're probably gonna bring more undead monsters. Okay, maybe I'll never know. Let me double check. Where's the undead? Here we have undead. Let's see here. Yeah, I should have done the pig equal or maybe school bugs. I think school bug though is actually one of my favorite. Maybe I should have done to fest him, but right now, as recorded in my video, I was very busy and I have studied to prepare. Okay. All right. About Steam Bandit, I've never tried this monster for a very long time, but I will give you guys my reaction. Okay. Let's try the skills. Okay, so this is really cool, unique, and we have negative pet protection. So you might be thinking like, is it useful? And you might be thinking this is only cleanse it, okay? But it's not going to be worried about it. Let's do this one, and what we can run this. I mean, yes, this is helpful against the monster, but I think every curse is fine. Okay. Man, I need to go to bed. Yes, I just need to go to bed. Oh, Hamper, that is fine. Okay, what did he bring? Straight Oh my god, he knew it. He didn't have like the skills of that countdown to the one enemy. He didn't have that, guys. Yikes. Okay, we'll try this again, no problem. Snow glue, and I'm gonna pick this one, no problem. It's one PvP season, as you can see, and like I said before, this event was basically the same every nowadays. So it's like we capped the maze, we capped the ways, we capped tails, and finally bounty hunt. I mean, what next? We get very boring, you guys, right? I'm pretty sure you will. Part of me wants to go to bed right now because I'm very sleepy, like sleepy bear. Okay, but as the time we record this video, I'm enjoying more live tools than any other botnet. Okay, so this is round 2. Let me check out Discord to see what's new. Let's say let us start to begin. Oh no, is this a tape? Oh boy. Oh boy. See this famous idiot, I hate it. I don't like this frame a lot, okay? Could be going to freeze, who knows? Oh no. Okay, let's do a big deal. Oh no. Good thing I stunned on them. Oh shit. Okay, luckily I can kill this monster, no problem. Boom. And now it's just 2 of them. Oh boy. Make it freeze. What? It's like a... Oh no. Oh my god. There we go, I missed. Oh, this is even worse. That is so annoying. Come on. Come on. Let's try again. Yes. Yes. And of course. Maybe in the next video, I'll probably never tell you guys what next, okay? I'll probably shall not record it with my voice during the live tours so that it will be a little bit very boring. So if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section so that I'm probably gonna give you a brief, okay? Oh, the rematch. Okay. Let's do this one. No problem. Rematch. Let's go. doesn't deal damage though, but I can life regen no problem. Okay, almost to finish him. Too bad. Now he doesn't do anything though. See? I'm telling you guys, it's pretty lipstick. Like a fiddlestick. Cool. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for now, and I cannot record different videos of Fire Tours because it's pretty much the same what you're going to face up, but it will be a lot more fun than I expected, okay? Not much to say about it. I bought some sisters, as you can tell, and where's the new one? Okay, here we have it. So sadly I have to spend gems, so part of me wants to get this, okay? So I'm going to name him, comment below what master so I name him, okay? I'm gonna name him something like Dots, okay? And you can see right now I've been playing this game for 3 months. Next few weeks is going to be turned into 4 months, okay? So yeah, Maze, not much to bother with because you have to be active, okay? For me personally, I don't mind to just get this master or pop up the event like Zest or Centennial. Instead, I'll probably get tokens, okay, which you can get tickets, and maybe I probably can get the second master, who knows, okay? This War Master though, the War Master Kotek, I have to use him in Team Wars, okay? So, never know what happened to you going to face off, okay? Plus, guaranteed tickets are now very rare, so I cannot spend it because you have to wait, okay? So I think that's pretty much it for now. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to brief them out loud, okay? So yeah, that's it for now, okay? I'll have a few of the masters on Thursday or Friday before the Ares Saga open, and that's it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.